To upload grades from Packback into the Blackboard LMS, first head to your community and select the button labeled Participation Reports. Click Generate Report. If you are grading weekly, simply choose the interval and select Student under Role. This will include students who are on your roster but chose not to sign up for Packback. If you are grading multiple weeks, which is more common, select Download Full Report and under Role, select Student. Here, you have various criteria to choose from, including name, email, and LMS ID. Uncheck any columns that you do not use for matching students in your LMS. Depending on whether you selected grade in percent or grade in points when you configured your report, the score column for the interval of your download will be formatted differently. If you selected grade in percentage, the interval grade column in your Packback report will be delivered in a decimal from 0 to 1. If you selected grade in points, the interval grade column in your Packback report will contain the sum of earned points for that student for that assignment period. Once you've selected the appropriate criteria, you can generate the report. A CSV of your grading report will be downloaded to your computer. If you run into issues uploading your file, here are a few common causes you can check. Students don't match. If your student list in Packback does not match your student list in the LMS, some LMS will return a generic error if it cannot match a student. If you see that a student that has dropped your class is still in Packback, you can remove them from your Packback discussion using the Manage Roster tool. Columns don't match. If you're trying to upload a file that contains more columns than your LMS expects, this can cause an error. When you're uploading grades for an assignment, be sure your file only contains a single grade column per student and only contains the student information used for matching grades. Example, LMS ID or email. Head to your Blackboard page and click the Gradebook icon on the top right-hand side. Click Download to download the Gradebook template. We recommend selecting CSV as the file type. Once you download your file, you can copy and paste the grade column from your Packback CSV into the appropriate column on your Blackboard CSV. Download your new Gradebook CSV and head back into your Blackboard page. Click the Import icon and drag and drop your updated CSV into the drop file area. Click the button labeled Upload and you're all set. If you have any questions regarding the grading upload process to your LMS, simply email help@packback.co.